हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर मोहिंदर कुमार। एक बार फिर मैं आपके यूट्यूब चैनल कॉम्पिटिटिव ट्यूटोरियल्स बाय मोहिंदर सर में स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक नए टॉपिक की शुरुआत करने वाला हूं और इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड एक सीरीज में हम बहुत सारी वीडियोस मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। तो ये सीरीज कौन सी है? इस सीरीज का नाम है कॉमन एरर्स। इस सीरीज के under I will share with you a lot of videos. So in this video I am going to talk about common errors relating to the word ability. So without wasting time, we should start our topic, and that is common errors relating to वर्ड अबिलिटी। तो अबिलिटी से रिलेटेड आज हम एरर्स करने वाले हैं और ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जहां हम श्योर नहीं होते और बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स कमिट करते हैं। तो चलते हमारे पहले रूल की तरफ, लेकिन रूल से पहले मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं यहां एक सेंटेंस लिखता हूं, ही हैज the ability of thinking. For example, if you get this sentence in any competitive exam, he has the ability of thinking. Now, do you think is this sentence correct? According to you, there's no error in this sentence. It looks very okay, correct, and that's why. But this sentence is wrong. This sentence is wrong. Where is the mistake? Mistake is here. Ability of thinking. So, what is that one? What's the rule here? You must remember. And what's the rule there? The rule is that we should not say that the ability of thinking. What's the rule? We have ability to do something. So after ability, what do we use? We use to plus first form. This thing we use. So what will be the correct sentence? So the correct sentence will be he has ability to think. So you must remember the first rule. The first rule is that after ability we use to plus first form if there is verb there. If there is a verb, so then after ability we use to plus first form. So this is the first rule you should remember. Another example, he has ability to swim in the river. He has ability to teach wonderfully in the classroom. In this way we can give so many examples. So after ability, you must remember, if you are to use verb, then we use to plus first form. So this is the first rule. Come to the second rule. We are going to discuss second rule, and the second rule is again very important. I will first of all I will write one example and then I will discuss that one. Example is, he wants to improve his ability of English. For example, we take this sentence. He wants to improve his ability of English. If I divide it into parts, this is the one, wants to improve B part, and his ability of English C part. If I divide into three parts, so where do you find the error? If we look at this sentence carefully, So it seems that it's correct sentence, there's no error, each and everything is okay, but still there is an error. Where is the error? Now try to understand. Error is here, ability of English. Here we don't use the preposition of. Here we will use the preposition in. What will be the correct sentence? He wants to improve his ability in English. What's the rule there? When we talk about ability, about any subject or any language, then we use in. So you are to remember, what should we use? We should always use, when we talk about subject or language, we should always use ability in plus you can talk about any subject, whether economics, pol science, mathematics, or any language. Language means English, Hindi, Punjabi. So you must remember, this is the formula. What's the formula? When we talk about subject, when we talk about any language, so after ability we use in. So this was the problem here. So of is not the correct. So what will be the correct sentence? In. Now it's okay. This is the second rule. Come to the third and the last rule relating to ability. Common error relating to ability. First of all, I will write a sentence and then we will discuss that rule. The rule is that one. He has wonderful ability. He has wonderful ability of reading. Do you think? If I use here A also, he has a wonderful ability. He has a wonderful ability of reading. Do you think, is this sentence correct? It looks that the sentence is correct because there's nothing wrong here. But the problem is here. Where the problem is here, ability of reading. Why? Do you know? With 4 things. What are those 4 things? That is reading, writing, teaching, acting. And after that we use ability. So this is the pattern. So we should always say, not the ability of reading, we should say reading ability, writing ability, teaching ability, acting ability, speaking ability. We should never say ability of reading. That's wrong. So you should remember. So what will be the correct if I do it correct? So he has a wonderful what? Teaching ability. So you must remember that with these words we use ability later on and they work as adjective. So these were the 3 rules relating to the word ability, to the common errors relating to ability. So I hope that this lecture will be highly useful and in future you will not commit errors relating to the word ability. If you find this lecture really knowledgeable, giving you something, so please subscribe my channel and share my videos so that my video should reach to the other persons and they may be benefited also. Thanks.